Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Kromax outdoor side table. There are features include all-weather material. Small outdoor tables are made of recycled plastic HDPE material with a textured grain finish and the realistic wood-like look. This material prevents warping, dents, rot, and fading. It improves the shortcomings of solid wood, which is easy to rot, mold, chip, peel and crack. Easy maintenance. HDPE side table requires no painting, staining, waterproofing, or similar maintenance. You can clean easily with soap, water, a soft bristle brush or sanding sponge. Optimal size and smooth surface. This outdoor side table allows you to place your items such as food, drink, books, and flowers on. The upper layer can hold 210 pounds, you could free your hands and enjoy your time. The outdoor table also has a smooth surface and smooth edges, free of burrs to prevent puncturing or scratching the skin. Suitable for various spaces. The outdoor end table complements Adirondack chairs, patio chairs, and rocking chairs in patio, garden, lawn, pool and balcony. The outdoor small table is also suitable for the living room, bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. Easy to assemble. All spare parts needed are included in the parcel. Tighten the screws in place. An assembly usually takes less than 10 minutes. Weather-resistant design. Constructed to withstand various outdoor conditions including rain, sun exposure, and temperature fluctuations without compromising structural integrity or appearance. Versatile square design. Features a square-shaped design in black color that provides ample surface area and complements various outdoor furniture styles and decor arrangements. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.